So of course we started off our day off at Nichols Diner in LA. Freaking bomb chilaquiles. I had my monster and my wife had a coffee. It was delicious. So for those of you that don't know, this is downtown LA. Of course, bunch of skyscrapers, buses, of course. LA is very crowded, so there's a lot of buses. One-way streets reminds me of San Francisco or wherever. So right here we were on our way to Malibu. We were just cruising, chilling on the one. We got kind of lost a couple times. Siri was, oh, my hippo. Siri was kind of lost, but we made it.
Wow, can you drive at least?
So after we left Santa Monica, we came to this organic spot in Malibu. It's called Sun Life. I highly recommend it. It's delicious. So right before I went to the car, I saw this Tesla P100 and also this beautiful IA. Fun fact about the IA, it's a hybrid. And then of course, one Lamborghini Huracan, two Lamborghini Huracans, and the third black Lamborghini Huracan. These cars are just amazing. I don't know if it was like a car show, but they had like a 1970 Chevelle. They also had a McLaren. It was a really nice day over there in Malibu. Okay, so we went to the little Malibu chocolate place. We got some vodka chocolate, so we're gonna try that when we get home. Then we got some like organic juice, whatever. I don't know. It's freaking delicious. Now we're just gonna walk a little bit out here in Malibu, and yeah, it's beautiful right now. Nice and breezy, not the coldest, not the warmest, but it's perfect. Alright, so after we went to the beach, now we are here at the stores. Gonna go to Marshall's. Let's see what we find. You know, I don't know if people don't like Marshalls, but I love Marshalls. Look at all this stuff. Okay, so special guest, John Franco. Like always, don't mind the hair, I just came out the shower, but we both got one. And let's try it out. Oh my. That's strong.
Tequila shots.
Looks like a shot. Super strong. And then we're gonna drink some Stella Rosa Black. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, take care.